Hello all, I am Dr. Archana Daftardar. I am a consultant nephrologist at Renova Hospital, Kompally. Let us see today what are the different modalities of renal replacement therapy. Dialysis and kidney transplantation are the main broad two different modalities of renal replacement therapy. Let us see in short what are these treatments. So coming to the dialysis first. Dialysis is the procedure by which the kidney function is replaced by a machine or by a modality through which the extra water or the waste material is purified or removed from the body. The blood is purified from these waste materials. So coming to what are the different types of dialysis. Hemodialysis and peritoneal dialysis, these are different modalities of dialysis, two important modalities. Hemodialysis, so let us take this word first. Hemo means blood and dialysis means purifying the blood. So what we are doing with this is hemo, we are using blood and filtering the blood so that the blood gets purified of the waste material. So as we see this, in this we need a separate dialysis machine for this. There is a machine specially designed to do hemodialysis. So in that machine there is a blood pump which is there, which propels the blood through the tubings, and the blood is passed through the artificial kidney. Artificial kidney is a dialyzer, or artificial kidney is an apparatus, small apparatus through which the blood is passed through and then purified, or it is filtered, and then the purified blood is returned back to the body. So to have hemodialysis, we should have a machine, hemodialysis machine. Second, the patient should have an access to draw the blood from the body, because it needs some rate of blood flow is needed, so which cannot be achieved with the small needles or small IV cannulas. So it has to be bigger vein. So usually the blood is pumped out from these bigger veins or from the AV fistula, and then it is sent through the dialyzer and again purified and returned back to the body. So we need a patient with an access to draw the blood. We need a dialyzer, artificial kidney. We need a machine to propel this. We need a dialysis machine, and this is returned back to the body. The second modality is peritoneal dialysis. So looking at the peritoneal dialysis, so there is a tube placed in the patient's belly or the stomach, then in the abdominal cavity, and some special type of fluid is run through this tube and it is drained after some time. So when the fluid is inside the abdomen, there is a transaction between the abdominal blood vessels through which the waste material comes into the fluid, and the required electrolytes are drawn from the dialysis fluid to the body. So this way the blood is purified. It is kept for few hours and then again it is drained out and the new fluid is filled in the body. And the second modality of renal replacement therapy is the kidney transplantation. So to do the kidney transplantation, we need not remove the original kidneys. They remain inside, and a donor kidney is placed in the abdomen of the patient. So we will see as we explore each topic. Thank you.